What's up guys, welcome to my latest painting video. This is going to be a video of one of my pieces called Orange Lightning because
Hey, I'm the real hero here. You can call me Orange Lightning.
so essentially that is a clip from the Jak and Daxter games, which are like they're a huge inspiration to me. Anyone who's followed my art for a long time would have seen me paint Jak and Daxter more than once, or inspired. I've created my own little weapons and stuff like that before, inspired by the game. I think the reason it really resonates with me is, I mean, obviously it's like a fantasy game and you're like this elf with these huge ears and that kind of stuff, but it was the first game that I was kind of like old enough to play and get into and finish and do all on my own. And I really, really enjoyed the story and the lore, and it was like fun and quirky and kind of childish at the time. So it was kind of my introduction to video games as like a love and a passion for myself. So it's just always held a place like really dear in my heart. And yeah, this is my latest piece of artwork inspired by it. It is the main two characters, of course, Jak and Daxter, but they are a lot older, a lot more mature, and have a little bit of a darker like resonance around them because of all the experiences that they've gone through and how many times they've saved the world and all of that stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh, I didn't get much recording of this, but I started with a couple of like, this is a very, very rough sketch, which I did in a brown pencil. And then I did that again on with like graphite pencil. So starts always on paper. And the reason it starts on paper is because I seem to get more energy in like the line work that I'm doing at the time when I can feel the pencil to the paper. I don't know, I suppose that like it sounds kind of weird, but that's just how it feels for me. When I'm doing it digitally, I can definitely get the colors and I can bring out the lights and the vibrancy and stuff like that. But just that original like movement, I feel like on pencil to paper works a lot better. Okay, so with my pencil drawing, I will then take a photo and bring it into Procreate. With all paintings, like I usually start in Procreate and then I end up taking them into Photoshop to get all of the details in, but it doesn't have to be that way. Oh yeah, and that little picture of the tree moving around, that is my color palette. So it's just a painting that I found that I think has really, really good colors that will work with the painting that I'm creating. Cool. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. So I created that painting quite actually a few months ago. I just haven't had a chance to put all the footage together. But there will be prints of him going up on my website very, very soon. At this point in time, my website is under maintenance and I'm like transferring my domain name from one company to another, and you have to wait like up to 10 business days for that to happen. So it's in a process. I just kind of have to wait at the moment. But I have been getting prints of him made up. So here is the very exclusive metal print that I had made up, which is like boarded and ready to hang. He's gonna come with me to Supernova in Brisbane in November. And yeah, and I'll have other prints and bits and pieces on my website very, very soon. So go check it out if you're interested in it. Thanks for watching.